Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful stick vacuum designed to make home cleaning easier, faster, and more convenient. With a 600W motor, up to 50 kPa suction power, dual batteries providing up to 140 minutes of runtime, and a self-standing design, this vacuum aims to solve many of the common frustrations users experience with cordless cleaning devices. One of the biggest highlights of the Klarpul vacuum is its impressive suction performance. Powered by a 600W motor, it can generate up to 50 kPa of suction power, making it capable of lifting dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from multiple floor types. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile, laminate, low-pile rugs, or carpets, the vacuum is designed to maintain strong cleaning performance throughout your home. Battery life is another area where this model stands out. The vacuum includes two rechargeable batteries that can deliver up to 140 minutes of total runtime under appropriate settings. This extended operating time makes it ideal for larger homes, multi-room cleaning sessions, and users who want to complete deep cleaning tasks without frequent interruptions for charging. The fast charging capability is equally impressive. With approximately 2.5 hours of charging time, users can get back to cleaning more quickly compared to many competing cordless vacuums that require significantly longer charging periods. One feature that many homeowners will appreciate is the self-standing design. Instead of leaning the vacuum against a wall or searching for a place to set it down, the Klarpul vacuum can stand upright on its own. This practical feature adds convenience during cleaning sessions and improves storage flexibility. For pet owners, the strong suction power helps remove pet hair from floors, rugs, and furniture. Pet hair can often be difficult to manage, but the vacuum's powerful airflow and floor cleaning capabilities make daily maintenance much easier. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of dragging power cords through multiple rooms. This freedom allows users to move quickly between living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, hallways, and staircases. It also makes the vacuum useful for cleaning vehicles, furniture, shelves, and other hard-to-reach spaces. The lightweight construction improves maneuverability while reducing user fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Combined with multiple cleaning attachments, the vacuum becomes a versatile tool for both floor and above-floor cleaning tasks. Another advantage is the advanced filtration system that helps capture fine dust particles while maintaining cleaner exhaust air. This contributes to a cleaner indoor environment and supports overall household cleanliness. Overall, the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers a strong combination of powerful 50 kPa suction, a 600W motor, dual battery runtime up to 140 minutes, fast charging, self-standing convenience, and versatile cleaning performance. For homeowners looking for a high-capacity cordless vacuum capable of handling floors, carpets, and pet hair, this model offers an impressive feature set at a competitive value. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the product using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and buying guides here on Gadgetverse.